I am Associate Professor Dr. Rafeah Wahi from University Malaysia Sarawak. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to an innovation that could revolutionize the animal feed industry. Our BSF Borneo Larvae is a game changer for sustainable farming, a solution born out of a need for both ecological balance and economic efficiency. Let's talk about the challenges we face. The demand for high-quality protein sources in livestock and aquaculture is skyrocketing. However, traditional feed production is becoming unsustainable. It is costly, resource-intensive, and contributes to significant environmental impacts. Additionally, Malaysia is grappling with an overabundance of organic waste, for example, agricultural waste, food waste, and chicken manure. If not managed properly, these wastes can become an environmental hazard. This is where our innovation comes into play. We have developed a systematic process using black soldier fly larvae to transform palm kernel expeller, rotten fruit waste, and even chicken manure into a highly nutritious, protein-rich animal feed. This is not just any protein source. It is packed with essential amino acids, making it ideal for livestock, poultry, and aquaculture. Our feed promotes healthy growth, enhances feed conversion rates, and importantly, it is sustainable. The black soldier fly larvae are nature's recycling agents. They efficiently convert organic waste into high-quality protein. This process not only addresses the issue of protein scarcity, but also tackles the challenge of waste management. What's more, our system is versatile. It can produce both vegetarian and non-vegetarian larvae, catering to various dietary needs of different animals. The novelty of our approach lies in its systematic process, which can handle large volumes of organic waste, converting it into valuable animal feed. This innovation is not just environmentally friendly, but also economically viable. Our feed has immense commercial potential, catering to the high protein needs of the pet industry, aquaculture, and livestock farming. This project is a collaborative effort between University Malaysia Sarawak and our industry partner from BSF Borneo Sendirian Berhad. Together, we are driving a transformation in sustainable animal farming. Our BSF Larvae animal feed is more than just an innovation. It's a step towards a more sustainable, efficient, and eco-friendly future in animal farming. We invite you to join us in this journey. Let's feed the future sustainably. Thank you.